This California Lifestyle Realty property video is presented by Tanya Barak, less than bedroom greater than Cal DRE license number 013176112. Light, bright, white and of today perfect contemporary renovation of a sought-after Champion 3. Beautifully turnkey furnished and move-in ready. On the private Palmer course. Dramatic south and west facing views of majestic Santa Rosas over water on 8th Fairway of the Palmer. Lightwood plank tile flooring, updated culinary kitchen, stainless appliances, soft white cabinetry with wall opened into the living room to create great room feel. Space to entertain in or out. Serve guests seated in front of crushed glass fireplace from quartz countertop wet bar with wine fridge. From the breakfast bar or from lovely dining area overlooking unlimited sunsets. Or step outside to enjoy the fresh air and forever views from the trellised patio whatever the time of day. The lovely renovated master suite with tile floors, quartz countertops and extra large walk-in shower. Suite also has a private patio letting in light and that crisp desert fresh air. Visitors will love the guest suite and bath with all its fresh new surfaces. The third room offers a multiplicity of options. Extra guests, private OFC, remote learning area for spillover grandkids. Even the garage is spotless with newly epoxied floors. For more information, review the details below.